Magandang umaga.
Mayong buntag, magandang umaga.
Bisaya and Tagalog na may voice. Nagpa-practice na sila guys ng Tagalog at Bisaya. Lalo na si Ram kasi gusto niyang mag-communicate sa kanyang best buddy daw na yung papa ko. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Kasi gagala daw sila na sila lang. Today is Lola Yaya's birthday!
I don't know why, but Daddy always say Lolo Yaya, Lolo Yeye.
Confusion na.
Confused na. It's okay. I'll get used to it. And then, punta kami sa Panabo muna. May mga bibilhin kami doon and bibilhin kami ng cake para kay Mama. Later we'll be meeting other relatives. Are you boys excited?
Yes.
Ha? Maraming bisita mamaya. And don't forget to bless, okay?
Okay.
That's the important thing when you meet relatives, especially the older ones, you need to bless.
Okay.
So where are we going first, Daddy?
We are going to market first. The rice is okay for us, right? So we'll get
Okay.
some rice and maybe some veggies. Then we'll go to the cake shop and back to our house.
How many kg of rice?
5 will take us.
Okay. Dito na naman kami guys sa paboritong palengke ni Daddy Ram.
I am better. I told you it's near.
Yeah. You are. Really. Bili kami ng bigas and then gulay din daw. Tapos cake. Pero malayo ang aming paparkingan. Kasi mahirap ang parking dito. Ram na expert na talagang mamili ng gulay dito sa Panabo Public Market. You really know what you're doing, baby. Like literally where to go. What to do?
I learned from the best.
Nakabili na kami ng gulay guys. Sa bigas naman tayo. And we know where to go. We're getting used to it. Yeah. Bili muna pala kami ng cake, sabi ni Daddy Ram. Kasi same way lang naman papunta doon sa kung saan kami nag-parking yung bigas. So, well, relax tayo. This one maybe. Huh? What do you think, Daddy?
Good?
This one. Everything looks so good. What do you want?
Mamon.
Oh, mamon. Okay. Okay, thank you. Can you put this? You could smell. Thank you. Thank you for push. Push, my boy. Can I buy same place? Same rice.
What is it? Is the one, right?
Masipag, masipag.
5 kilos.
Pili din kami ng itlog. Naubusan na ng itlog. You put it in the rice, Daddy?
Yeah.
Para hindi mabiyak. Okay? Careful with the egg, Daddy. Pila?
Yes.
10, 10.
Kailan ka ba, ma'am?
How many? One only?
One more, Ryan.
Isa pa? This is 5.
Okay, give me it.
What is this?
Salamat!
Salamat.
Give me a second.
Ryan.
How to eat?
I know this. You used to make this, mommy.
Yeah, ice candy. Like this.
Oh my god, so nice.
So good, right? Ryan, shall I open yours? Give me.
First, I was asking you maybe if you make it because what you used to make it is so delicious.
Yeah. But this one have peanut inside. Mommy cannot eat.
Yeah. Did you just move it?
It's good, right, Daddy?
It's good.
It's my favorite, Daddy. Daddy Ram is discovering so many things and loving so many things.
Only all the desserts allow it.
Oh my god.
Are you okay, Narayan?
So cold.
It's so cold. Hold this.
I thought you would
Wrap
say,
it.
You would say 50.
No, it's 10 only. You expect high price already. Okay, good, Ryan?
Yeah.
Even Lola Yaya can make this one for you guys. Anything, mango, avocado,
I'll take mango.
can make ice candy. Happy?
I'll ask her mango.
Yeah, Daddy likes it. Yeah, almost finished. You know the best part, guys, wherever we go, we see familiar faces. Either neighbors, relatives, even subscribers. Nakakatuwa talaga. Like one, where Daddy? SM Mall, Abriza Mall, Jack's Ridge.
Palengke.
Nag-picture sila. Ay, talaga nakakaya. Medyo nahihiya kasi ako pag may nakakasalubong na mga subscriber. Pero getting used to it. Kasi sa India, di ba, wala nang nakakilala sa amin. Aside yung sa mga Filipino friends ko na alam nila na vlogger ako. Pero dito yung parang approach, sana family, sana. Yung iba nagugulat yung ibang tao na hindi kami kilala. O sino yan daw? Vlogger. Balik kami sa Panabo, guys, kasi tumawag si Mama. Kailangan naming sunduin yung kapatid ko na si KK sa school niya. Hi, Tita Kay! Ulaw naman siya tago. She's so shy. Everyone's saying she's so beautiful. She's like a model. But she's shy. Mamon, that's Mamon. Naghanang hinda, oy! Handa diya, hinda. Handa!
Cook my bread.
Oh! For you!
What is this?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Oh, broken bread.
Braille.
Where is Tito Broccoli?
I don't know. You ask,
Tito Broccoli!
ask Tita.
Where is Mr. Broccoli?
Kako dili mo igutom na mo kan.
Dili may gutom. Oy, hala na aday fresh lumpia.
Broccoli!
Then, biko.
In your room and put it there.
Oh, spaghetti, Ryan! Look! Some spaghetti!
It smells so different.
Yeah, because there's milk.
What is this? Small eggs.
Itlog sa pugo. Quail egg.
Ah, okay.
Unsay pugo? Unsay pugo? Quail egg, Daddy.
Are you telling me it's like a bar, something bar?
Looks tasty, right? More food. Asa na ibutang?
No place.
No place to put.
Maybe
Kana ayun na diha. Asa ni utang be.
Oo, later na lang ng kuan. Happy birthday, Daddy Ram. Happy birthday, Lola Yaya. Happy birthday, Maui. So many birthdays.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Diyan rin ba?
Same sila shirt.
Taliwan ako to.
Okay pa ka anak, dili nag-melt ma.
Sarap ko na pala ako.
Dili sa panabo ra, panabo.
Okay,
Oh,
mocha, my favorite.
Ah!
Yes, chocolate gahapon, mocha today.
Di ba?
Thank you, Sana Fam.
Hulok ka imuwag ko ano.
Iyan na lang ako. Muna.
Oh, iko anak ka ng ref. Fundador Brandy.
Randy,
Are you ready, Daddy Ram? I will drive. Huh?
entire bottle you have to drink, Daddy. Half of you.
Bless Ryan.
Alam sa akong birthday, ka 57th year sa kalibutan. Salamat sa beses kinabuhi. Inintanan nga nag-andam yan yung kalanon, inapag na ginoo ngayon sa bindisyonan. Anong pagkakaon ng karon kung may kami mabusog sa aming karon. Inintanan mo pangay, pasalamatan, pinag-isto ang ginoo. Amen.
Amen.
Ay no, ako birthday akong pag-G.
Ikaw naman yung ano mo. Okay. Kanto na. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday, my sister.
Thank you, sister.
Ayaw sa mga pictures.
Wait,
Picture. Ako sa cake. Okay.
ano ba yun?
Isa lang.
Amay.
Ayun sa iglo, magmumurang pa! Bumirang!
Sige. Ina na nag-go. Sige, dahil mo na pa.
1, 2, 3, go! Ito ang mga naunang bisita. Nag-cut na po ng cake at nagdasal para makasimula ng kumain ang mga first batch. Marami yung pong susunod.
Celebrant, ano siyang nagdasal pa rin.
Kasi walang iba ang marunong.
Birthday to me.
Second set of visitors. My beautiful cousin, Neren. And Fiona. Say hi, Fiona, our archer.
Hi, guys.
Asa ikaw ite nagsakay te?
Oh,
Ah, okay. Bakit sila nagluto sa kuan, spaghetti?
Kung may apilang spaghetti.
Ah. Ay, nagasip pa, nag-vlog ko.
Daong kapila.
Patismis ka niya ah.
Yan ang pinatuan.
Sige, makalo.
Madumog eh. Mahilig kasi sila sa chismis.
Bahala, jud mo din ha.
Kaya na yan. Sabi yun ang mga chismis.
Ah, dito.
Dili na itabon.
Kuya, paslon.
Sige. Pangungong. Sige, pangungong mo. How is it? So good, right?
It is so good. Coffee, right?
Coffee mocha.
We love coffee, right?
Do you want fun here?
No,
It's okay.
It's not hot.
You have company, Daddy. Our cat. Georgie! Jordy! Honey, how?
Jordy.
You want cake, Nana? No?
Mommy bullying you, right?
Spaghetti.
Colonel family bullying us.
Are we bullying you guys?
Except my friend.
Lolo Bill. Okay? It's working? Punta kami sa pharmacy, mabibilhin kaming gamot. Ikot-ikot kami ni Daddy Ram, guys, dito sa aming purok. Talagang ano na Pinoy na ito Daddy Ram. Kung saan-saan sumusuot. This is the river. Lasang River. Bukid na ito. Bless.
Ayan, oh, meet Nanay Inday. Lola Shoni.
Natanggal siya. Wala siya pa sa akin. Dagan Lola, may ni Lola.
You blessed with everyone already?
Ready?
You wanna eat now? What do you want? Spaghetti, okay.
Why does it have to be with milk?
Yeah, there's milk.
Is it tasty?
Try first.
Shot, yes. She said no.
Where's your brother?
Brian.
What happened? Hiding.
Place.
Hiding because busy with work, guys.
Yes. At sa tawag na training.
OFW sa...
OFW in Lasang. Ha? Yan na daw siya later.
Di, okay, bangko diha. Alay, dere, dugay kay ka. Ay, hi, friend. Happy birthday.
Mom, sister.
57. 3 years more to go. Retirement.
Bless, one round. Tita Portia.
He's 9.
Oh. Ako di ay. Third grade. 2016.
MJ, yung friend.
November. Ah, okay. Barkada, friend.
Good. Kuya, ano,
Apir.
same age. Kuya Ading. Okay. Cousins, your cousins. Or your friend with MJ. MJ, you talk with Ryan.
Busy. Tired, guys.
Yeah.
Played pool. Nagbilyar na ng bilyar si Daddy Ram doon. Daming kalaro. Si Ryan din. Met a lot of new friends, Ryan.
Yeah.
Cousins.
We need to.
Now hungry. Everyone left. My boys got hungry. We got surprise for Ryan.
Wait, I know this is Ate Ishi's one.
Yes! Ate Ishi's sword! Tatalaw, ate! Ate Ishi's sword! Gusto niya yan sa Dubai. Ha? Show, tita. Paman na ni Ishi. On our way home, guys. It's already 10:30. How was meeting the relatives, Daddy Ram?
It's good. Such a big gathering. Still, I cannot know who is who, if your cousins.
Yeah.
Back to back, one by one.
It takes
Like
time.
when you're in India, we are telling, you know, is my cousin. This is my
Yeah, I
cousin.
just say yes, okay.
Yes, okay.
Now
Alright.
it's your turn.
Right now it's my turn.
But big family. That's not even half of my relatives.
Yeah.
Most of them are from my mother's side only.
Today, right?
Yeah.
Your father's side,
Only
your
my
uncle
uncle and my aunt.
came. Cousin also came.
Which one?
Your uncle's son.
No,
No.
did not.
Okay.
Only from my mother's side, the rest.
Your neighbors.
Yeah, our neighbors.
look like I didn't know them. Some of them they know me.
Yeah, because they're watching our vlog.
That's the reason I think, hey Ram. Hey, hey.
Yeah, like they know you so well. So much fun, so noisy. Right, Daddy?
I got you. I adjusted already because India I used to see your Filipino guy when I was
The same thing.
Same thing, yeah.
Yeah.
I remember early I used to ask you, are you fighting? I said, no, that's how we talk.
Yeah. Ito na kami sa bahay, guys. Si Bryle nagluto ng chicken curry para kay Ram. Yung natira, sinaro namin.
This is the eggplant. It's like this is the longest eggplant I have ever seen in my life.
Then, of course, nag-sharon ako ng lumpia.
It's like 1 feet actually, right?
Cake. The Filipino way na talaga to, guys. Plastic na lang, guys. Natira pa kaming mamon.
Tomatoes.
Yan yung ano ni Daddy Ram na pamili. Tomatoes, brinjal, what else na yan? Show the guys.
Lots and lots of
This is biko. This is pansit.
What is this?
Munggo.
Mungo.
Dal. Spaghetti ni Ryan. Ito na lang ang natira. Sa dami ng
Ladyfinger.
spaghetti. Na ano?
Ladyfinger. What is it called in Tagalog?
Okra.
Okra.
Okra in English also. Then, afritada. Daming bisita ni Mama.
What is it?
Nakakatuwa. Nagkita-kita ulit kami ng mga kamag-anak ko.
Garlic.
Garlic, ginger,
And potato.
potatoes,
And more ginger.
Some more.
More.
ginger. Where was the other one Daddy bought?
What is that?
Only Milo? There was other one, right?
This one, mung.
Oh, okay. That's it. So we can cook the pasar ato, tomorrow's breakfast, okay? And we got some blender from Mom's house.
Where?
It's there. So we can cook and make also non-veg masala. So I can make also chicken curry and other prawn curry or whatever it is for
Pew, 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 pew.
us.
Pew, 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 pew.
Come on, let's freshen up.
Yeah.
So sweaty, but it was so fun seeing them
What's this family gathering? That
come
too.
together
I think after a long time, yeah.
after so long.
Pew. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.
And shout out to go.
Shout out to Omega Jin, Princess Jill Santero, and Nene Tispano.
And shout out to Jean Ann De La Cruz, Jim Bendera, and Sofia Reyes. Bye,
Bye
guys.
guys. Like, subscribe, like, sharing the bell icon. Bye, see you guys. Peace.
Happy birthday, Maui! Tomorrow!
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Maui.
Hat-trick birthdays, no? On both one.
Yeah.
3 birthdays in a row.